Jeez, I've got no enthusiasm today. We're going to replace a fuel filter and an air filter on a 2014 Mark IV Ford Mondeo. I don't know why. Anyway, whatever. No messing around today. This is serious business. Right, onward and upwards. This is hot work. Let's not forget the PPE. Ford Dura. Right, I'm going to get this done as quickly as possible because it's boring. See that Phillips screwdriver here? Well, there's 6 Phillips screws to undo. And then just lift the lid up. Pull out your air cleaner. If you've got an air blower of some description. So just get your new air cleaner element, shove it in there and screw it all back down. Well, that was easy. Right, so first thing, just unclip your little wiring plug. You're going to need a Torx 30 screwdriver bit and then undo all 4 of these Torx 30 screws. There's a fuel pipe in a clip just here. You want to pull that pipe out of the clip and just lift it above the clip. Do not disconnect your fuel hoses. I'm just saying, you should do it my way. Because I'm a bigot. And if you don't know what a bigot is, it's someone who's self-opinionated. Anyway, back to the task in hand. This is where this is stupid. They don't give you nowhere to get your screwdrivers. And for God's sake, don't put your screwdrivers underneath the pipes and lever it up, because you'll end up breaking something. Then you'll be sorry. So if you start off with a screwdriver just here and just try and prise it up a little bit like that, then get another screwdriver and then just prise it up nice and evenly, give it a wriggle and it will come up. Once it's lifted up, you may get some fuel spillage out the sides, but don't worry. Just lift it up carefully. And then once you get it up so far, you can twist it like that. Then get your filter and you can just slowly twist it off. And what you want to do is pour the fuel out of the filter back into the housing. You could even leave it like that to drain for a little while if you wanted to. And make sure you change the seal, like so. And just look at the difference between them 2 filters. How dirty and black this one is. Diesel fuel is a concoction of chemicals these days. Shit. When your filter's out, you always want to have a look inside your filter housing amongst the fuel for glitter. I know glitter's pretty, but believe me, you don't want it in your fuel filter housing, because that will mean your high pressure pump is starting to break up and it's putting metal filings into your fuel system. Ouch, that will cost big time. Well, luckily this one's all right, thank God. So we'll put our new filter on. That just pushes on. And then we just twist it, lower it down, nice and gently, so you don't splash the fuel everywhere. And then you can just refit your 4 Torx 30 screws. Do your screws up opposites nice and evenly to pull the filter housing down squarely, if you know what I mean. Refit your fuel pipe back into its clip and connect your fuel heater wire back up. If you've spilt any fuel down the little ribs of the side of the housing, just shove a bit of rag in there and a screwdriver and soak them up. Now, there is no electric fuel pump in the tank of this Mondeo to push the fuel through to the filter, but you can take my word for it, you haven't got to worry about bleeding it. Just turn the key over until it fires up. And just on the off chance that after replacing your fuel filter the engine won't start again, you would be best to pull your return pipe off here and connect a brake bleeder onto this return pipe, and then you can bleed the fuel through. See, I actually feel like I've given out some useful information today. You like this, do you? Well, according to my sources, the Badger walked away unruffled. So it was a good day for a Badger. Not such a good day for the taxi driver. Well, that's it then. There's nothing more to say. Happy bloody fuel filters.